Hey travel enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 15 must-have travel essentials for long-haul flights, ensuring your next journey is comfortable, organized, and stress-free. Let's dive into the video. Please like our video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventure. Whether you're jetting off on a dream vacation or an important business trip, being well prepared can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the 15 must-have travel essentials that will ensure your journey is as comfortable, smooth, and enjoyable as possible. 1. Travel pillow. Resting on a long flight is crucial. A supportive neck pillow helps you sleep comfortably and avoid that dreaded neck crick. And getting quality sleep on the plane sets the tone for the rest of your trip. 2. Noise-canceling headphones. This must-have travel essentials helps block out engine noise, crying babies, and other distractions with quality noise-canceling headphones, allowing you to relax or enjoy your in-flight entertainment in peace and uninterrupted. 3. Compression socks. For a long flight, a compression socks is a must-have to help reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, DVT, prevent discomfort or swelling, and keep your legs feeling fresh, which improves circulation during long periods of sitting. 4. Portable charger. Portable chargers are compact and easy to carry in your hand luggage, providing a convenient power source wherever you need it. Keep all your devices fully charged with a portable power bank, ensuring you stay connected, entertained, and productive throughout your flight. Unforeseen delays. In case of flight delays or cancellations, a portable charger can be a lifesaver. You can use your devices to communicate with loved ones, access travel information, or make alternative arrangements. Also, once you land, you might need your phone for navigation, checking emails, or accessing travel apps. 5. Travel-sized toiletries and cosmetics. Why you need it. To freshen up mid-flight with essential toiletries like a toothbrush, toothpaste, facial wipes, makeups, and cream, which will make you feel clean upon arrival, all within TSA-approved sizes. 6. Sleep mask. This will help block out light from the cabin or your neighbor's screen with a comfortable sleep mask, helping you get some much-needed rest, overcome jet lag, and adjust to new time zones. 7. Reusable water bottle. A must-have travel essential for staying hydrated during a long flights. Bring a reusable bottle that you can fill up after security to avoid relying on tiny in-flight cups. 8. Healthy snacks. Airline food isn't always the best, and you never know when hunger might strike. Pack some nutritious snacks to keep your energy up and prevent mid-flight hunger. 9. Hand sanitizer and wipes. Absolutely. Hand sanitizer and wipes are essential to keep germs at bay, especially for cleaning tray tables, armrests, and other surfaces. Keeping your space clean reduces your chances of getting sick while traveling because airplanes can be a breeding ground for germs. Convenience. They are easy to carry and use, making them perfect for quick cleanups and comfort. 10. Comfortable clothing. During a long flight is important for ease of movement. Loose and comfortable clothes allow you to move freely and stretch, which is important for maintaining good circulation and preventing stiffness. Temperature regulation. Airplane cabins can vary in temperature. Wearing comfortable clothing helps you adjust to temperature changes easily. Reduced irritation. Soft, breathable fabrics reduce the risk of skin irritation and discomfort, especially during long periods of sitting. Enhanced relaxation. Being comfortable helps you relax and possibly sleep better, making the flight more pleasant. 11. Entertainment and reading material. Load up your tablet, e-reader, or bring a good book to keep yourself entertained when in-flight movies just aren't cutting it and helps make the flight time fly by. 12. Travel document organizer. Keep your travel documents handy. From your passport, boarding passes, and other important documents neatly organized can save you from travel stress. 13. Eye drops. Soothe dry eyes to stay comfortable and refreshed throughout the flight because cabin air can be very dry. Eye drops will help soothe dry eyes, keeping you comfortable and refreshed through the long flight. 14. Medication and first aid kit. Bring any necessary medications in your carry-on, along with a basic first aid kit for headaches, motion sickness, or minor injuries. And if you have any medical conditions, having your medication on hand ensures you can manage your health needs without interruption. Emergency preparedness. A first aid kit can help you handle minor injuries or ailments, such as headaches, cuts, or motion sickness. Comfort. Having items like pain relievers, antacids, and Band-Aids can make your flight more comfortable if any minor issues arise. Peace of mind. Knowing you're prepared for any minor health issues can reduce stress and help you relax during your flight. 15. A good travel bag and backpack. A well-organized carry-on bag with multiple compartments will make it easy to reach all your travel essentials and reduce the stress of looking for stuff during a long flight. Ready to take your travel allure to the next level? Pack these essentials and turn any long-haul flight into a breeze. If you found this video helpful, please leave us your comment and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're always set for your next wanderlust. Thank you for supporting our channel and happy travels.